Ah, the joy of homemade ice cream. The Ninja Swirl by CREAMi is here to bring the ice cream shop straight to your kitchen. With 13 versatile one-touch programs, this machine lets you choose between classic scoops or smooth, creamy, soft serve. Want frozen yogurt, sorbet, or a thick milkshake? No problem. The 6 added soft serve programs make it easy to whip up frozen custard, fruit whips, and even lighter, healthier options. It's a frozen treat wonderland in one compact machine. Customization is key with this ice cream maker. You control every ingredient, whether you're looking for dairy-free, nut-free, or low-calorie options. Want extra protein? You got it. Vegan ice cream? No sweat. The exclusive CREAMi program is designed to create high-protein, low-calorie treats in a single spin. Plus, you can mix in your favorite chocolate, nuts, or fruit to make every batch unique. The Ninja Swirl gives you the power to create desserts just the way you like them. And with its powerful motor and advanced blending technology, every scoop is smooth and creamy, just like from your favorite ice cream parlor. The real magic is in the automatic soft serve handle. It has 3 speed settings, so swirling cones is smooth and effortless. Kids love the fun, interactive experience, and it's a great way to bring the family together. Whether it's a weekend treat, a birthday celebration, or just a fun evening activity, the Ninja Swirl makes every moment special. Plus, it's great for portion control. Make just the right amount without waste. Cleaning up is a breeze too. The pints, lids, and paddles are all BPA-free and dishwasher safe. No mess, just pure, sweet enjoyment. With everything included, from the motor base to 2 swirl pints and over 30 recipes, this is more than just an ice cream maker. It's a ticket to delicious memories. Experiment with different flavors, try new combinations, and discover your perfect frozen treat. The Ninja Swirl by CREAMi makes every day a little sweeter. Ready to swirl up some fun? It's time to create, customize, and enjoy.